Once learned, I'll be presenting on my stage 4 task for VPC, for creating a CLI tool for implementing this VPC creation, subnet creation, and VPC pairing. I'll just dive into my architecture to show how the system is supposed to look like. So our fable system, and within our system, there are several VPC, and each VPC has its own subnet within them. There's a public subnet and private subnet. The public subnet is that configures to has NAT configuration which directly access the internet, while the private VPN does not directly meet. And the two VPCs are separated from each other, isolated, and are connected through pairing. So I'll just go and start my configuration so as not to waste much time. So we start by creating our VPC. First of all, enter into the directory. And now our different files are there. We have the VPCctl file, which is the main file for configuration. So we start by creating a VPC, VPC1. VPC1 created successfully. Then we'll create a subnet within that VPC. Web subnet successfully created. Also create a private subnet. This public subnet was directly configured with NAT to access the internet. We can check our VPC configuration files to see how the files are created. You can see our VPC has been created as this CIDR address and the gateway address with the first subnet web, another one ZP with its own address. These are two NAT VPC that have been created successfully. We'll now move into intra-VPC communication to test if the subnets within the VPC can communicate with each other. Okay, it works. They can communicate with each other. It tests the other way from private to public. And successful. So now verify that if we create a VPC, another VPC, these two VPCs will be isolated. So we create another VPC, which is VPC2. VPC2 created successfully and create a public subnet within it. App subnet created. So we test to see if the two VPCs can reach each other. As you can see, it's taking long, so it means that this VPC is isolated from each other. So it cannot, there's no route to the other VPC, that's why it's not connecting. So all packets are failed, as you can see. Now let's enable pairing for VPC1 and VPC2 to reach each other. Pairing established. Test now and see how they reach, if they reach each other, which they'll do after pairing. Okay, you can see now web can reach VPC1 app, so you can also test from VPC1, from VPC2 to VPC1. And it works. So we can also test to see if the public IPs can reach the internet. The public subnets can reach the internet, so we check with VPC and 1 to verify if web actually reaches the internet. We're going to deploy a web file at port 880 through VPC1. Okay, the server is running. I can just open another terminal and verify the internet access. So we can have internet access, also access via VPC2. You can also access VPC2 from VPC1. You can even check through our web browser. And we have our site that's running on VPC, VPC1, and subnet 1 at web. So yeah, at web subnet. So we can also test for firewall. We can also test for firewalls. We create a firewall using cat. Firewall created, the firewall policy file created, and then now we apply the firewall into it. It's deny SSH. The firewall has been applied to it. We'll now check IPTables. We'll now check the VPC configuration file to see if IPTables were created, IP configurations were added. we should have a firewall in VPC1. Firewall was configured at this location exactly. So we can also list all VPCs in the system. You see VPC1, VPCs, we have VPC1, VPC2, all the VPCs in the system. We can also clean up the data by deleting a subnet. You can see subnet now is deleted. And then we list the VPC now and see in VPC1 database doesn't exist anymore. So we have deleted it. And then we can also delete a VPC. We're going to delete VPC1. And then we check. Now only VPC2 exists. VPC1 has been deleted. So cleanup works correctly. Delete VPC2 as well. And you check the log file. No VPCs now. Alright, so that is all.